In this video, we explore the beautiful city of Dresden, Germany, from its magnificent historic buildings and fascinating history to the magical Christmas markets. Join us as we discover this incredible city and the stories that make Dresden so special. Welcome to Dresden. Known as the Florence of the Elbe, Dresden is a city filled with magnificent Baroque architecture, grand squares and centuries of history. But behind this beautiful city is a story of incredible destruction, survival and rebuilding. And today we are going to explore some of the highlights of Dresden. One of Dresden's most famous landmarks is the Frauenkirche, the Church of Our Lady. But the beautiful church we see today is not the original building. During the bombing of Dresden in February 1945, the Frauenkirche was destroyed and collapsed into a huge pile of rubble. For decades, the ruins remained here as a reminder of the destruction of war. Then came the decision to rebuild. And what makes this reconstruction so remarkable is that the rubble wasn't simply cleared away. Thousands of original sandstone blocks were carefully recovered, documented, and reused. In fact, around 45% of the stone material in today's Frauenkirche is historic, including more than 7,000 original stones in the facade. So when you look at the church today, you're not simply looking at a reconstruction, you're looking at a piece of the original church brought back to life. The rebuilding took place between 1993 and 2005, and the Frauenkirche was finally consecrated again in October 2005. Today, it stands not only as a symbol of Dresden's history, but also of rebuilding, reconciliation, and hope. Thousands of the original sandstone blocks were carefully recovered. Just a short walk away is another fascinating piece of Dresden history, the Fürstenzug, or Procession of Princes. Stretching for 102 meters, this enormous mural depicts the rulers of Saxony on horseback, and incredibly, it's made from thousands of Messine porcelain tiles, creating one of the world's largest porcelain artworks. From here, we continued exploring Dresden's historic center. The city is filled with magnificent Baroque buildings, elaborate sculptures, and beautifully decorated facades. One of the great architectural treasures is the Zwinger Palace, with its ornate galleries, courtyards and fountains. Everywhere we looked, there's another incredible building or detail to discover. The Hofkirche, or Cathedral of the Holy Trinity, is another of Dresden's most recognizable landmarks. Its dramatic Baroque architecture and impressive towers dominate the skyline of the old town. Standing among these historic buildings, it's easy to understand why Dresden is considered one of Germany's great architectural cities. We also made our way towards the Elbe, where Dresden's historic skyline can be seen from a completely different perspective. It's moments like this that really allow you to appreciate how beautiful the city is. One of the little architectural surprises we discovered in Dresden was the beautiful Bridge of Sighs, or Zeefser Brugte. Tucked between the historic buildings, its ornate Baroque design is another example of the incredible detail you'll find throughout Dresden's old town. And as daylight began to fade, Dresden took on a completely different atmosphere. The Christmas markets came alive with music, lights, decorations, and the wonderful smells of traditional German foods. Walking through the market, there was something festive around every corner. Beautifully decorated stalls, Christmas ornaments, sweet treats and handmade gifts filled the streets. And of course, the crowds made it clear that we weren't the only ones enjoying the atmosphere. As night fell, the Christmas markets became even more magical. Thousands of lights illuminated the historic buildings, creating an unforgettable atmosphere in the heart of Dresden. And of course, the food at the markets were great. From freshly baked bratwurst to all the other tempting treats, it was impossible to walk through the market without stopping for something delicious. Dresden is a city with an incredible story, a city that was devastated by war, rebuilt from its ruins, and today stands as a beautiful reminder of what can be preserved, rebuilt and remembered. Thank you for joining us on another journey, and remember, there's always another wonderful world waiting to be discovered.